Ripple has announced that two new attorneys, Kellogg Kim and Clayton J. Masterman, will join Ripple's team in the Ripple vs. SEC trial. That move from the blockchain company seems to indicate that the resolution of the case is not expected anytime soon. In the meantime, John Deaton, a key influencer representing the XRP community, and James K Filan, who's been following the case from the start and shared legal insights on the matter, have been using Twitter to share their opinion on the latest Supreme Court decisions and how this may affect the SEC on its power to regulate the cryptocurrency market. We'll also analyze the behavior of the XRP price over the last few weeks and what could be expected in the future. Stay tuned so you do not miss any details on the latest news on Ripple and the XRP. Hello to the XRP news community, welcome to a new video. If this is the first time you see one of our videos, we send a special greeting, and we encourage you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notifications, so you do not miss any videos. I want to tell you that this channel gives away 200 XRP. For a chance to participate, all you must do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. The winner will be announced on the 15th of July. In addition to this, get 100 extra XRP if you are on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. In the frame of what seems to be a never-ending legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the blockchain company has added two Kellogg Hansen lawyers to its team in order to bolster its legal team. The newly added attorneys, Kellogg Kim and Clayton J. Masterman, will be the one to represent one of the top cryptocurrency players, and Judge Annalisa Torres has granted their respective motions for admission to practice pro hac vice in the aforementioned case. The addition of the new attorneys makes the community believe that legal proceedings may become extended. It was on that note that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse told Axios last month in an interview that his company would leave the US if the court were to rule in favor of the SEC. There is still no information on the latest court decisions, but it seems that Ripple has already decided the next steps of the company depending on the outcome of the trial. This was confirmed in April, when Garlinghouse said that the company was operating as if it had already lost by shifting its focus to other markets. Stuart Alderety, general counsel at Ripple Labs, stated that a resolution would likely come in 2023. As the public awaits the court's upcoming ruling on what may be the SEC's final attempt to keep the Hinman-related documents away from Ripple, the public looks for clues as to how the case will play out. John Deaton has been one key influencer within the XRP community, the attorney who successfully acquired amicus curiae status for the XRP holders in the SEC v. Ripple case and is currently representing over 67,000 of them. Deaton, who nowadays has more than 200,000 followers on Twitter, has recently referred to attorney influencer James K Filan to remind the public that one should be thinking about the bigger picture when looking at the precedent-setting case that is SEC versus Ripple. Deaton wrote a tweet in reference to the recent Supreme Court ruling restricting the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's (EPA) power to regulate carbon emissions. The recent decisions made by the Supreme Court, which has also recently overturned Roe v. Wade, may be more prone to weaken the power of government agencies. According to the experts, this could be a threat to the SEC as the financial watchdog continues its regulation by enforcement practice. In case of an appeal, the current environment in the United States may be favorable to the defendants. In December 2020, 1 week after the filing of SEC versus Ripple, James K Filan wrote, "When it comes to SEC versus Ripple, and all the different federal agencies trying to regulate crypto, start thinking about the bigger picture. The major questions doctrine holds that courts generally should not defer to agency statutory interpretations that concern questions of vast economic or political significance. Why should just one agency get to decide questions of vast economic or political significance?" And then he added, with the rapid evolution of crypto, why should one agency, whether SEC, FinCEN, or DOJ, get to set the rules instead of having specific congressional guidance? Especially when they come to different conclusions. We can't look at individual cases without more specific guidance. Crypto, like Ripple, is treated differently depending on the country. Yet how this case is decided is of worldwide economic and political importance. We can't have one-off decisions. We need guidance if the US is going to compete in this space. The question now is if crypto will be deemed as a question of vast economic or political significance to fit the major questions doctrine argument. In an analysis of the price for the XRP, experts advise traders to be cautious, as the current price action that seems stable could go either way at any minute. The price action underpinned above 30 cents as XRP holds for another day, making it the 17th straight day in a row with no new lows. There is still plenty of risk for XRP prices to take a turn for the worse, and traders could be alarmed by a signal coming from the bond market. A look at the US yield curve showed a hint at a near recession for the third time this year. Confirmation of a recession in the US would trigger yet another cash flow exodus out of cryptocurrencies and see their market cap possibly even slashed in half. Price action would trade sideways to higher, and only when XRP price can break above 37 cents, more traders will venture to invest back in the cryptocurrency. An additional motivation is that the 55-day simple moving average coincides with that same 37 cents level and thus signals that a big bearish driver has been taken out of the equation. So, we come to the end of the video. If you liked it, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and give a like. We publish a daily video. You should also share the video with someone that you think can be useful. See you in the next video.